Hey everyone, my name is Devin. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Behind me is my 05 S2000 that we're going to be working on today. Throughout the YouTube channel, we're going to be restoring it. It needs a lot of work, needs repaint, new top, stuff like that. We're going to be doing that type of work. Today we're just going to do routine maintenance on it, oil change, tranny fluid change, diff fluid change. It's kind of been a while, so it needs to be done. Alright, well, if you've never drained the oil on an S2K before, you've never done an oil change, it's pretty simple. All you can use this and a 17mm socket or wrench, doesn't really matter. Come under here. You got your oil pan and your oil drain plug right there. So loosen that up, drain the oil. Remove the filter, which is right up there. Replace that, fill it up with oil. After you put the drain plug back, of course, and you'll be good to go. Thing to do is add a little oil to your filter before you go ahead and put that on. Put a little oil in there like so. Old filter. Oil in the new filter. Sorry about the cutscene, guys. Had a little issues with the tripod, but I'm gonna put the drain plug back in, put the filter on, fill it up with oil. I do add a little bit of oil with the drain plug open just so that you can see it run through, kind of rinse out that old oil. And then once I do that, yeah, we just throw the drain plug back on, throw a filter on, fill it up with oil, and should be good to go after that. we got oil change all done on it, and now we're about to do tranny fluid change and diff fluid change. Alright guys, so the tranny fluid change is pretty easy. Just need a 3/8 ratchet with a 17 short socket, or you could use a 17 wrench as well if you got that. But you will need a 3/8 ratchet to get the drain plug off, because it's just a 3/8 ratchet plug. Kind of weird, I don't know. Also, you will need a few of those Honda tranny manual trans fluid. Alright. And a tool like that to pump in the fluid after you drain it all out. Let me show you how you drain the fluid out. Come down here. Alright, so you got your drain right here and your fill right there. I always recommend to take the fill plug out first, because if you can't get that out and you drain your fluid, you're kind of stuck. So loosen that first, then drain, and then we refill and tighten it all up and be good to go. Alright, so after it's done draining out, put that up in there and get to pumping new fluid in. And I always do like I did with the oil, pump some in, let some drain out, just so you kind of do a minor flush. Did put a new gasket on the drain plug, because I had one around the toolbox. Let me just throw that guy in there. Oh, fail. And with the trans fluid, same with the diff, you put fluid in until it starts leaking out the fill hole. That's how you know you got enough in there. so the diff fluid is pretty much the same as the transfer as far as how to change it. Just a drain, refill. We're gonna have our drain bolt right here on the bottom of the diff. Pretty simple. I think it's a 24. Yep, 24 on that. And then this guy, kind of a pain in the butt to get to. I honestly don't know what size it is, but I know I've just used a adjustable to get to it. Works pretty good. So we just always pop off your fill first just to make sure you can get it off. Drain, and then refill with, today I'm using some, sorry about that camera issue, 7590 Mobile 1. Probably need 2 bottles just to cover you. I probably won't use all 2 bottles, but probably just use 1 and maybe a little bit of the second one. But should be quick. Alright guys, and same thing as I did with the trans. Just put a little bit of fluid in there till it comes out. Give it a little bit, a little flush. Alright. Alright, now we just fill until it overflows again. All right, and that's that completed. Grab you guys real quick. It's hot out here. All right. So that's all the typical maintenance done on the S2000. All we gotta do next is parent stuff. Look forward to the next track day and get prepared. So appreciate it. If you guys like this video, please leave me a like. I will be posting probably once a week, maybe once every 2 weeks. Kind of gotta wait for parts to roll in, and that kind of holds me up. But appreciate you guys tuning in. Please subscribe, follow along with my journey. All right, have a good one.